In today's video, I'll show you how to change time and date settings on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, just go to the bottom right of your screen and you'll see your time and date. Just simply right click on it. Then just click on adjust time and you can expand this section. From this place, you'll be able to set your time zone, your region, and also the options to set time automatically. Or other options you can find over here as sync time. You can sync your time with this, and you can do all bunch of stuff here except for change your time. A very specific version of Windows 11 doesn't allow you to change your time and date from the settings. So to change your time and date on your Windows 11, what you have to do is simply just close this out. Then just go to your search and search for Control Panel. From the best matches, just open up Control Panel. And after you have done that, what you have to do is make sure your view by is set to category and not to large icons or small icons. Make sure it's at category. And after that, what you have to do is just click on clock and region. And after you do that, you'll find under date and time, set time and date option. Just click on that. And after you do, this window will pop up. If you click on change time and date, it's going to ask you for permission. And after that, if you change your time and date to anything, it's going to be set to that. Now click on OK, click on Apply, click on OK again. Then just close this out. And you'll see your time has been changed. And basically, that is how to change time and date on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.